Ever wondered how to make your car photos pop directly from your phone? Today, we're diving into Lightroom Mobile to transform your automotive shots on the go. First, let's enhance those crucial reflections and make a car look dynamic. Head to the light panel and subtly adjust the highlights and whites to brighten the reflective areas without blowing them out. Next, we'll bring out the true color details. Go to the color panel, increase vibrance to boost muted colors, and then fine-tune individual colors using the mix tool. For instance, you can make a red car even richer. Now, let's clean up those distracting backgrounds. Navigate to the healing or selective tools depending on the complexity. For minor blemishes, the healing brush works wonders. For more complex cleanup or to de-emphasize the background, use a radial or linear gradient to gently darken or desaturate unwanted elements, drawing focus back to the car. Finally, add some subtle polish in the effects panel. A touch of clarity can add definition to the car's lines, and a minor vignette can frame your subject beautifully. And just like that, your car photos go from good to absolutely stunning, all from your mobile device. Try these tips yourself and make your automotive photography shine.